Actually, this is my first time. But in a catalog, in print ad, I have some experiences there. But it's actually a great opportunity for me to just give my all and to try this one. Actually, my inspiration is my friends. So some of my friends are designers, and they are really telling me that Filipinos should be seen more often in the fashion industry. So I think this is my opportunity to give back to Filipino audiences. Well, I think people should really use our local products, and this is actually our chance to be proud to be Filipino, because I am proud to be a Filipino, and I really wanted to make people know about this Filipino product. And actually, the Filipino talents is already spreading throughout the world, so this is just another step to that.
Ang tawag namin dito, we are having a GOSI. Ang GOSI parang audition na mga model because I have a fashion show on March 20. Everybody wants to be a model. Ang una na-improve sa kanila yung self-confidence. Sa natuto silang lumakad ng maayos, alam nila yung do's and don'ts. Alam mo, I have been in the business for 45 years. So after 22 years, when I came back from the US, 2012, nakita ko yung mga fashion show nasa mall. So parang sa hindi naman ang effort ng mga bata, wala namang masama. So nagtayo ko ng Passion Forte. Passion Forte started in 1977. So ang advocacy ko is to help these people na makapag-show ng maayos the way I had it sa 5-star hotel. Para ang nanonood, tagang pang 5-star, hindi pang mall. Kasi ang mall, pupunta ako para mag-shopping, shop around, hindi para manood ng fashion show. Pero since yan ang uso dito, I think there's no harm. There's nothing wrong.
I think you do this hindi naman para agaw pansin, kundi...
Ay, hindi. Gusto ko talaga, as a fashion designer, gusto ko tulungan yung mga designer magkaroon ng fashion show. Uplift them, i-level up yung kanilang career. Kasi daw sila magpapasikat. Kaya nga ang Passion Forte, papakita mo kung ano yung forte mo sa fashion show. Usually, I have 4 shows dito sa Crown Plaza 4 times a year. So, sa opening ng 2025, nag-i-start ako normally every March. Tapos June, then September, then November. And aside from that, meron akong individual na international show. Like recently, I had my show in Jakarta na nakalineup sa akin ng Guam, na nakalineup ng Singapore at Cambodia.
So, international na pala.
Oo. At yan nag-i-invite sa amin, mga Consul General.
So, lahat yan makakasama? Or...
Well, kung sino mahusay, matira matibay, di ba? Di ba ganun? Kasi gusto ko mag-build ng mga bata, especially the models, yung how to build an international model. Di ba? Dinadala ko sila. Well, ang gusto sumali, get in touch with me at tutulungan ko kayo.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Araw na to, meron tayong Passion Forte casting. Casting today. And actually, tapos isa ako sa yung kinuha nilang model about sa may corporate type. Yun ang maganda sa modeling din. Tsaka dito sa Passion Forte, you have the chance.
Sino naman ang ina-idea nyo, inspiration about this kind of model?
Ako naman kasi yung nakikita ko mga businesswoman na successful. Yan. Tulad nila Judy Ann Santos, di ba? Meron sila entrepreneurship. Sa amin kasi kahit na mga contractors, small contractors, later on lalaki din naman yan. Sikap-sikap. Ayan. Actually wala naman tayong gagastusin dyan kasi sila may makeup artist na sila. May designer na mga susuotin mo. Ikaw pupunta ka na lang, be on time para yung sa casting nila, ayan lang, dire-diretso lang. Wala kang gagastusin actually. Dito sa Passion Forte, meron po silang event, March 20. Sa Crown Plaza rin po. Punta po tayo. may magandang event sila, may mga bagong model na na-develop ngayon, na nakuha. So, yun yung mga chance ng kabataan para i-pursue nila kung yun ang magiging linya nila later on o balang araw. So, punta po tayo. Kami naman na mga ahead sa kanila or may mga nagbi-business na, nagko-corporate na nagsumali ng modeling para i-pursue rin yung mga ginagawa namin. Punta po kayo. May chance po tayong magandang show. Maganda po yung show. Dito po yun sa Crown Plaza.
Okay.